students, welcome in my YouTube channel. Myself Gangani sir. Today I will discuss synthesis, chemical property and physical property of isocyanate compound. So let's start. Now we have a different type of halide compound or particularly chloride compound. So now this will be a chloride compound or maybe benzene ring containing, but suppose we have taken this chloroalkane. Now this chloroalkane, when allowed to react with the silver cyanide, then Ag will react with this and it will remove in the form of silver chloride. Now next thing, whatever obtained to us, it is nothing but isocyanate compound. So this is a specific reaction. When alkyl halide is allowed to react with the silver cyanide, it gives us isocyanate compound. Now second thing, we are knowing very well, cyanide compound is possible to prepare from primary amine. It may be any type of aliphatic or aromatic. Now this amine, when allowed to react with the chloroform and 3 mole of potassium hydroxide, and when we heat this thing, then carbyl-amine test, and as a result of carbyl-amine test, foul smell containing isocyanate will be obtained. With this we are getting 2 common byproduct, 3 moles of potassium chloride and 2 moles of water. So it is observed that by using this method, isocyanate compound is possible to prepare. Suppose I would like to give example. We have chloromethane. Now this chloromethane is allowed to react with the silver cyanide. Now chloromethane on reaction with the silver cyanide, silver reacting with this chloride, we are getting silver chloride, isocyanate, methyl isocyanate. This is known as in short MIC. MIC means methyl isocyanate. So highly toxic compound will be obtained when chloromethane is allowed to react with the silver cyanide. Now whatever isocyanate compound obtained to us, it has a common physical property. So now it is observed that whatever isocyanate compound obtained to us, these are the dipolar in nature. When we take this, then it is observed that nitrogen having a partial positive charge and carbon having a partial negative charge. So this compound are dipolar in nature and they are very less soluble in water. So we can say they are sparingly soluble in water. So sparingly soluble, the meaning of sparingly soluble, they are soluble in very much less quantity. It is observed that isocyanate compound are highly toxic in nature. They are too much poisonous or they are highly toxic in nature. So it is observed that this type of isocyanate compound can be used for the preparation of different type of pesticide. Now they are dipolar in nature. So it is observed that boiling point and melting point of isocyanate is comparatively less as compared to corresponding cyanide. So we can write these things that due to dipolar in nature, boiling point of isocyanate is less. Boiling point of isocyanate is less than corresponding cyanide compound. The meaning of corresponding cyanide compound, they are having the same number of carbon atom. So suppose 2 carbon containing acetonitrile and 2 carbon containing methyl isocyanate, when compared, then methyl isocyanate melting point and boiling point are comparatively less. Now chemical property of cyanide compound, it is observed that whatever different type of isocyanate compound, their reduction is possible to do very easily. Now when this compound reduction done by using lithium aluminium hydride, 2 mole of hydrogen gas will be used in a reduction, and during this reduction process 1 hydrogen will be added on nitrogen and 3 hydrogen will be added on carbon. So reduction of cyanide compound give us secondary amine. We can write this thing, reduction of isocyanate compound when we have it done by using lithium aluminium hydride, we are getting a secondary amine. So suppose we have this structure, this is known as a phenyl isocyanide. Now this phenyl isocyanide, Reduction done by us by using lithium aluminium hydride, same reducing agent, no any change. Then phenyl isocyanide will convert in this structure, and name of this structure you are knowing very well. This is known as a N-methyl aniline. So it is observed that N-methyl aniline will be obtained. This N-methyl aniline is a secondary amine. Now similarly, suppose we have this isocyanide compound, methyl isocyanide. Now whatever methyl isocyanide we have, it reduction done by using lithium aluminium hydride as a reducing agent. When reduction done by using lithium aluminium hydride, 3 hydrogen will be added on carbon and 1 hydrogen will be added on nitrogen. So reduction of this structure will also give us amine, and name of this structure is nothing but dimethyl amine. So this dimethyl amine will be obtained to us. So in this lecture we have discussed that isocyanate compound can be prepared by using 2 different methods. Particularly this reaction will ask you in a competitive exam that chloromethanol reaction with silver cyanide, what will be obtained? We are getting always isocyanate compound. Isocyanate on reduction give us always secondary amine. And the most important thing, physical property of isocyanate, these are the dipolar in nature, they are sparingly soluble in water, these isocyanate compound are highly toxic in nature, and this gas is also related with the Phobal gas treasury. And this compound can be used, isocyanate compound can be used for the production of different type of pesticide. Isocyanate is dipolar in nature, therefore their boiling point is less as compared to corresponding cyanide compound. So my dear students, if you like this lecture, then don't forget to subscribe it, to inform your friend, and take advantage of this free education lecture. All the best. See you in next lecture.